Hey guys, I'm coming back with another video. Juwan here, and I'm coming up with a challenge, and I'm back on Creative Destruction, and I'm going to do the pistol challenge. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm play some solos. And by the time this game is over, I think I might get to like do something. I don't know. Or like get to buy another skin. Cause you need like 6,500 to buy a skin. It doesn't cost money like cost like ooh, revolver, gun challenge. I'm only gonna use guns this game. Guns challenge. I do. Wow. Oh, they auto. You don't like the other move around. They do like if you're trying to get somebody's head. Let me turn this up a little bit. Okay, so this fashion. That's me. Beat 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're back. Aurora Valley.
I'm not here just to take you to Aurora Valley. It was just my turn to be the pilot. What am I gonna do with you? You should be prepared since you boarded the air taxi. We're already above the Aurora Valley.
See, but to start off, I might have to get some guns. I'm gonna pick up any gun. Then when I get the pistols, I'm just gonna drop all of it. Just drop all the guns. So yeah. And also I like about like the parachute, you get to press this button anytime and you like just go really fast down it. So I want to see if there's some pistols anywhere. Pistol challenge. Okay, so there's an AK-47 there. Okay, so I'm just gonna I can grab any gun right now. But as soon as I see a gun, what you call it? A pistol, I gotta drop everything. Even my snipers and yeah. So I'm looking up here. What is that? And that's a pistol? Okay, guys, I gotta drop everything now. I think grenades. Yeah, I might count them. Grenades. Yeah, I want to have grenades. I could use grenades. Okay, so in this challenge, I want to use grenades too, because they're like kind of not a weapons. Well, they kind of are. But I'm just gonna do weapon because it's not a gun. So I already have a pistol. I'm gonna do this like 2 times. I'm done. Wow. I need to get some. Gotta get these 3 bricks. Gotta get some materials. I already told you guys how to play it. I think. Yeah. So I'd be like, boom, boom. Just need a revolver. Okay, not a revolver. Thought it was. I like these shields. You don't even have to drink them, just run right through them. I need like them sniper guns. They have sniper guns in here. You'll see when I show you it. Gotta eat the meds. The meds. Give me the
airdrop is coming.
Okay. So I have a purple gun and a green gun. So put it right here. I'm just looking for people. Okay, there we go. Hey, hi, buddy. He has the revolver. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. He has the revolver. Thank you. Revolver time. Revolver time. Drop that. Literally, I could just play with this revolver all game. It's over. I think I might do that. Maybe. Now reload that. Reload this. No, I can't reload that. Now, I'm just gonna go up here. Well, no. Here. Now, who is that? Okay, so I'm gonna go over there. Oh, I see that young boy. Head. Oh, yeah! Headshot. Let's go, headshot. Okay, so I like this game very much. I just can't play Fortnite on this phone. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this chest. And I might can change outfits. Okay, no, I'm not grabbing that Uzi. Let me grab these. This mag. Oh, we already have 3, so yeah. And there's a chest right there. Please just give me a shield. Just a little shield. And I'll be done. Or grenade, I don't care. Yay! I got it. Whoa, no. I don't do that right now. Okay, guys. So, I got a revolver, a purple, a rare, uncommon, bandages, bowling pin. Well, no bowling ball. And 3 medkits, 5 bowling balls, 5 bandages. So yeah, I'm already set up, so I don't need no more weapons. Unless I get another revolver and I'm dropping both of these, the rare and uncommon guns. Okay.
Airdrop is coming.
Wait, I think I can do this. I'm smart enough to do that. Can I jump on here? Okay, it doesn't work, but there's nothing. Wait, hold up, buddy. Wait, hold up, buddy. Come on, man. Boom. Hi, brother. That's sick. Matter of fact, I'm dropping all these. I'm dropping that gun and that gun. I only need 1 gun. Okay, so I'm about to steal somebody's. Oh. Okay. I got a vacuum cleaner. As a. Oh, yo. Pistol dualies. Let's get it. Pistol dualies. Oh, ow. Okay, buddy. Okay. Boom. Whoa. Come on, I don't have none. Okay, I need that bowling ball. What? Kill? Let's get it! Nice kill. Okay, guys. So I just got that kill. Come on, buddy. How to go shoot with this symbol. What? I just got killed. I knew that was gonna happen. I just should have met it up. I hit him. I hit her in the head. What? That doesn't make sense. Okay. So I'm just gonna get. I should have grabbed the other guns. So I should have just grabbed the other guns. I can't go with those. Let me turn this up a little bit more. Okay. So I think. I should just go to the school shop. One more. Okay. So by the end of this game, I think I should have. No. Okay, so where's the chest? Okay, so I got 500. And I'm gonna see. Let's do it. Aw, man, that's That's cool. I'm gonna play solos, and that's it. So, oh my god. I guarantee I'm gonna get this bad by the end of the game. Okay. The reason why I want to get the what you call it? The squares you automatically buy up. But guys, guess what? I beat everybody. I'm a trendsetter. That's why I like this game. I get to beat everybody.
Another batch of fresh explorers.
So, yeah.
Who knew there were still people wanting to go to Aurora Valley?
No. Who's the other guy? He was there, right? Oh, okay. I see. Okay, do you guys think I should waste my time on that? Okay then. Okay. Can I see heads? Okay, Rick. Wow, okay, I'm done. Just crazy. No, I think I'm just gonna go over there across. Get me a chest. Because I don't think that I think I'm just gonna stick with this gun the whole game because I'm not gonna get another gun. Okay. Man, there's rockets over here now. Wait, I can't get that rocket. Because I got it open. worst gun? Oh my. Can you tell me, why did I have the worst gun? I hate that gun. I'm gonna get a dub, okay? That's the thing that's what I said I'm gonna do. I have to get it. I wanna get a good gun. A good gun. Please give me a good gun. Just give me a good gun. That's all I'm asking. I don't like this gun. This gun. Look at it. Look. Doesn't do nothing. Oh, well, yeah, bro. Boom. I'm just gonna use it carefully. Okay, guys.
Dear tourists, our air taxi is approaching the beautiful Aurora Valley. The Aurora Valley is a virtual world created by the Aurora Corporation. A wonderful place.
Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna drop anywhere. I think I'm gonna springtime again. I'm gonna die. Oh, I could pick up my gun right now. So I'm gonna pistol. Just forgot. Ow. Okay. So I can't play without no pistol. I guarantee I might get one. I might. I'm just saying. We're going so slow in the water. That was my fault. Okay. I got it easy. So I really like this game. I think it's better than what you call it. It's better than Fortnite right now. So the other game we should have won. I don't like that gun. Come on, I need to find. Who's shooting like that? Oh, I just heard a gun motion somewhere. I don't know where it is. Okay, there it goes, buddy. Now I'm getting hit from behind me? Now? What? I hate this so much. Wow. Oh, rage is real. Rage is real, brother. Okay, ready? I'm probably gonna come back with another challenge later. They gotta come out with some stuff from like Fortnite and stuff, like them game modes like sniper shootout and all. Yeah, I want that kind of stuff. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, do you see how? Okay, if they're okay, so you see how these things roll? They roll nice. Did that just roll right through his leg? It just went right through his head. Look, it went right through it. Why are you shooting me, lady? Okay, I'm a fashion shatter again. Cool, cool. I think this is the best part for me. Where should I go? Where should I go? Teddy Land, home, Teddy Land. I'm going to Teddy.
Relax. I've been flying this route for decades.
Okay, so I'm going to drop like that. No, I'm not going to Teddy. I'm going to this little thing right here. This blue thing. This house. I think so. Maybe a house. No, it's not a house. Hey, so house, what you got here for me? You got me a pistol? Okay. So, please, I want a pistol. How are you not gonna have no guns in the house? How? Dun, 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 dun. How are you not gonna have guns in the house, dude? Okay, so I wanna try to sneak over to that chest with the crates all over it. Okay, so there's... Back up, brother. I don't have no gun. Leave me alone, brother. Okay, brother. Okay, brother. This is the easiest. That was so easy. I can't even believe it. There's nothing in there. That was just so easy. I'm sorry, but that was so easy. So easy. It was basically not a competition. They were just going to have an early pickaxe fight. But yeah, not. Okay, now I just saw a person right there. Oh no. Okay, just give me a gun. Pistol. Please, once in your life, give me a pistol. I thought I saw somebody. But okay. Yeah. I need to get me a mic so we can play squads with people and ask them how many wins they got and stuff. I need to get some of that. Give me some mats. So, just need to get me a little bit of mats and I'm good. We need a gun, people. Please be a gun in this house. I'm begging. I'm going to the big house first. Well, I don't think it's big, but I'm not gonna have no. Come on, dude. Okay, so this might be the time I'm gonna get in a pistol, buddies. Oh, they're shooting for it here. Heady. I wonder how I got. Oh, okay, I got 3 kills. Okay. So how did I just kill them both when they were fighting? I just hit them both in the head like 2 times.
Airdrop is coming.
Ooh. And the shit. It looks kind of cool. Okay. No, revolver. Let's go. Thank you, buddies. Thank you, brothers. Thank you for the revolver. I just got a revolver. Now it's time. Got a new suit, got a gun, got a pistol, and yeah. So let's get it, man. Okay, so take that, and I'm good. I'm good for safe. There are levels in here. You can get levels again. Like if you get like 1,000 bricks or something, they'll be here. I thought there was somebody's head right there, but nope, nobody's head. It's just us.
Airdrop is coming.
Somebody build it up here? Great. Okay. Listen here. I'm not a camper here. I'm not a camper. I'm good in this game. I'm the best. Oh, I see that red line. That means something's about to drop down. That means something's about to drop down. Let me get this. Okay, so if I get, yeah. Guys, see, this is what I'm talking about. Come on, man. These guys are getting nervous. I gotta play smarter. Oh god. Come on, man. Why am I not kidding? Come on, man. Please drop it. Oh my. Oh. I'm getting raised. How? How? This pistol challenge isn't going well for me. How long is this? Wow, I've been playing for 30 minutes and I still didn't get no dub. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, brother? I should have found some time to meet up. You'd have been dead. Where am I at? Ooh, I won it again. I won it again, buddy. Let's get it, brother.
Yay! Welcome to my air taxi.
Whoa, I'm not trying to exit
Now
the
hovering
game.
above the Aurora Valley. Ah, what a big island. Please be careful, although the scenery is...
Okay, guys. Red house, yeah. Oh, there's not red houses. There's just... My thumbs are hurting at this. Oh, there's a person there. Great. And I have to use a pistol? Are you kidding me, brother? You gotta be kidding me, brother. I gotta do what I gotta do, buddy. There's a person here. I can't believe it. How? I'm sorry, buddy. Whoa. He didn't even what? He didn't even hit me. He only hit me like a couple times and I ducked down. They be cheating me, man. They like to cheat me, buddy. How, man? How? Can you tell me how? How does that happen? I ducked down. You can even put that on replay. That wasn't even fair. How many times I died? Like 10 times or something? You guys count and put it down in the description. Bro, you gotta be tweaking with... Okay, well. Okay, trying it again. Take something, I don't know. Come on, bro. Is it gonna ready up or nothing? Okay, I'll be back when... No, I'll be right back with you when I drop down. Okay? Hey, guys, I'm back. I just got this gun. Bring back memories. Come on, man. Why did you have to give me this gun? You gotta be kidding me. Please, just give me another gun. I just want to drop this gun. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna get this stuff. Get all of it, because I already know I'm gonna prepare for an attack and stuff. Oh, wow. How did I just... What? That didn't make sense. Okay, so please give me another gun. Please. Thank you. Wow. Not a good day. Not a good day. I just ended out with a scar. Kidding me? A scar. Are you serious? Please. I'm begging. Yes! 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 Green revolver. Now I want to get this dub. And please, please, let me win. Man. Damn it. No, I hope people don't shoot me this time, please. Oh, whoa. Wait, hold up, buddy. Boom. And again. Boom. Come on, get your head up. Boom. Okay, that's one defeat. That is one defeat. Oh, he couldn't fight because he had a sniper. That's why he tried to come up with close range, buddies. But I ain't having that. No, you see, if he would have came up with that shotgun, I don't think I could have won that. But good thing this is, I think they like to put it in. They like to put the revolvers in like the mid-range, close range stuff. But I don't really like to put it. I like to put it at long range because like it comes out long range. So I want to put it at like short range and stuff like a shotgun. Because if you put it at like short range or mid range, it'll be like versus a shotgun. Guaranteed you're gonna die. So I'm gonna get some more mats right now. Oh, wow, AK-47s. Or AK-47. In this game, AK-47s are good. I'm gonna try my luck. Next time, I wanna get a boy. Change my character to a boy and get my skin with the mask and stuff. So I think, oh wait, I picked up that. That's why. Okay, gotta look around for my surroundings. I don't need that. I don't need them bandages. I already got 10. And a med kit plus. Now the smartest idea I need to do is if somebody comes, right, and like people are like, let me see this. If people are coming and I just beat like people and I'm at like 40, 45 health, I could just hold up a little second. Cause look, well, I'll show you, but this, you don't have to wait for like 10 seconds or nothing. You could just wait for like 2 seconds and it's done. So now I got a bomb. Nice. That's for my long range. That's for my close range stuff. But like, what I was saying, but like if, wait, hold on, oh yeah. So what I was talking about, I was like, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, okay, now I do. Well, as I was saying, I was like, if I like kill somebody and I was like 45 damage and another person comes and I'm at 20 and another person comes, I could just wait and build myself up like with that square stuff, and I could just heal up because these take like 2 seconds to 3 seconds, and it's good. I guarantee. I think. But this 10 second? No, this is not 10 seconds. This is 5 seconds. And literally the 5 seconds doesn't even take that long. So I'm just gonna heal up. I'm gonna heal up with the bandages real quick for like 3 seconds. Okay, so look. Now if I get hit from everywhere. Wait, it's not showing me where to do that. It's not showing me. Where is the dude? Okay, so I'm gonna see if there was a fight here. Wait, I see his head. It's a head. Yeah, we're about to fight. Come on, let me show you. So after every fight, if I get hit really bad. Oh, he's healing. Right now. Wait, is that a healer? Is that a healer? Okay, that's not a healer. Oh. What? Okay, head. I don't hit this neighbor once. Okay, I just needed that kill. I needed it. Okay. I'm gonna wait for him. If he comes. He right there. Don't mind that message. Okay. Don't mind that message. Okay. No, I'm really getting hit. Oh. How am I gonna drop a 6, boy? Okay. Is this still rolling? Okay, now it's rolling. Okay, so it's still rolling. Okay. You had everything that I needed, buddy. Not that stuff, though. Thank you very much. Got 4 kills. I don't know if I want to get any more, but I think I'm going to win this. I'm going to win this. I think. This is kind of, this looks like it's going to be my best game. Yay, I needed this. Wasting it all on her. I can't believe I wasted all of them on that one guy and I wasted it on the other girl. Good shirt. And okay, so now I see a neighbor. He's right here. Now he's scared. And I hit him. 100. 100. Oh, yeah. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm getting that chest. Thank you very much, buddy. Okay. I don't really know. I'm getting too close here, buddy. What's here? Wait, what's happening? Okay. Okay. Wait, where am I supposed to be? Okay. I want to say, it's like getting enclosed and everything. I don't know what was happening. So, back right. Coming back. I got 5 kills and there's 23 more people there. Wow. Oh, my arm. My arm hurts really bad. Okay, my thumb and everything is right. Dropped 6 kills. What you gonna do with me now, buddy? Come on. No. None of that stuff. I wish there's a settings that you like can't get anything. Can't like get the like I don't really know what I'm saying. Honestly, I'm on level 2. Right here of the game. You restart the game the whole time, every game. I think this is where I started, right? Or no, I started all the way in Lion Park. Oh, they shooting. Time to steal some kills. Yay. Wait, where's the dude at? I don't know if I can make this long range. Ooh, I hit him. That's good. Wow. Wow. I really hit him. Oh, he right there. The person I was shooting him crazy. He right there. I gotta run. Wow. Oh. Oh my God. And I was at 1. Thank you, God. Oh. That was... Boom. Wow, please. Boom. Boom. Okay, guys. Who's shooting like that? Wow. Just blocked you, buddy. Okay, I'm really doing this game. Whew. This is hard work. Whew. Oh God. Come on, man. After. Somebody else was shooting? Yep. Oh, you're a sniper. That's a sniper. That's what you call a sniper. Oh. There's only 2 people, man. I'm about to med up. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Okay, guys, I just did the what you call it, the pistol challenge. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.